Adrian with Being a Change LLC, my small business owners, take advantage of the free resources. YouTube, for example, the second largest social media platform and the perfect place to promote your business with over 2 billion users. So the reach is going to be an opportunity for you. So how would YouTube be great for your business? So first, it's important to plan. Decide what content to cover, and it's relevant to your business and your channel. And how you do that is to model. Next, SEO, my friends, it doesn't go anywhere. You want to make sure your keywords, descriptions, and everything is relevant so your audience can actually reach out to you. Now, once your videos are published, start promoting them on such social media, friends, family, colleagues, and share them with as many of your clients as possible to expand your business and answer any questions. So you may want to consider investing in the Freedom Accelerator YouTube step-by-step to manage your content so you can understand the YouTube process faster. And then ultimately grow your small business on your target audience, as the metrics will help you analyze and understand the trends in your industry to focus your content moving forward. So creating content on YouTube is a great way to get your brand, your why, out to your customers, as well as setting up that system. With the Wealth Warriors Elite Coaching System and Freedom Accelerator, it'll take you to the next step. Follow me.